Hello, good morning. How are you doing today? I wish you an amazing day ahead. I just want to tell you keep doing your best and don't give up. Do you understand? One day will be one day, everything is gonna set, everything is gonna be okay. Do you understand? Alright. Hello, guys, how are you doing? Alright, today I will be showing you how to create an animated cartoon character. Do you understand? Making use of ChatGPT and Hydra. So I want you to follow this video that I will show you in details how it was generated, the image will be generated, and the video will be created. So the main features of the video is lip sync. So let's dive into it. Alright, firstly we are going to open our ChatGPT. So we open our ChatGPT, we upload the images. Do you understand? So here is the first image. So what I want to do now is that I want to upload the second image so that it will appear on the first image. Like I want to prompt the ChatGPT that okay, let this particular image sit on the on the share. So that's what I want to do next. So let's check the second image. Now this is the second image. Now the next thing is to upload the image in ChatGPT. So I will upload the first image in ChatGPT. So let someone sit on the chair. Now I include this prompt. So ChatGPT will now ask me to upload the image of the person that I want to place on the chair. So let's go. So I'll upload the second image. You can see it faced the screen, but that's not what I want. So I want it to face here. I want the image to face here. So I will prompt it again that okay, let the image face here. So the next thing is that I will convert it to 3D animation. So I will prompt it again. So this is the result. Can you see it now? So this is the result. This is the image. You have generated the image. So what we will be doing next now is that I want to convert this image to a video so that this particular image will be speaking, will be talking. Do you understand? So that's the next thing, and we'll be making use of Hydra for it. So that's the next part of this video, Hydra. Good. So I'm using the free version, so this one will not accept more than 20-second video, so I have to adjust the audio. You understand? So we now add it, and then the next thing is to include prompt.
Hello, good
So
morning.
yes, here's
How
our
are you
video.
doing today?
Our video is now ready.
I
Let's
wish you
play
an
it and
amazing
check the
day ahead.
results.
Hello,
I just
good
want to
morning.
tell you,
How are you doing
keep
today?
doing your best and don't give
I
up.
wish you an amazing day
Do you
ahead.
understand?
I just want to tell you,
One day will be one day. Everything is gonna set. Everything is gonna be okay. Do you
so
understand?
that's that about the video.
Alright.
So to those of you that are asking how to do it, I hope this video has explained enough about how this thing was created or how you can generate this thing, so you can make use of ChatGPT and Hydra. So I want you guys to just like and follow this my YouTube account. I'll be dropping content like this often on this particular account, so you guys should support and let me grow. Thank you very much.